Hi, I'm Nils Miller of VoceVista. I'm here to let you know what came in the package with your Electroglottograph and how to connect all the items so that you can connect it to your computer so that you can analyze signals from your voice. So first off, we have the Electroglottograph, or EGG, which is the device that actually reads the signal. Then we have the bag containing the electrodes, which are also, there's an elastic band that connects the electrodes so that you can wrap them around your neck. These connect to the Electroglottograph. Then there's an external microphone for reading audio signal, which will be fed into the software as well, so that you have an audio signal and the signal from the Electroglottograph. There's a cable to connect the Electroglottograph to your computer. So it's a stereo cable because there are two signals that go into your computer. Then there's a digitizer, which takes the signal from the cable, which is coming in as an analog signal, and turns the signal to a digital signal that can be read by your computer and analyzed by the software. Finally, you get a charger so that you can charge the Electroglottograph. Depending on the power supply that you are using in your country, there are different options that come with the package, so that there are many different ways to connect to your power system. So there should be, all of them should be represented. The first thing you'll do when you get the package is charge your Electroglottograph overnight. So make sure that it's in the off position, and anytime you're charging the unit or storing it, it's in the off position. If you leave it in the on position, you might drain the battery, which can lead to a premature failure of the battery. So you would connect the EGG to the charging unit on the bottom of the unit with this cable, and then plug it into the wall and leave it overnight. Now that the unit is fully charged, you're ready to connect the device to your computer. So the first thing you do is put the EGG around your neck, and then you can remove the stopper that's blocking the unit from turning on. So you would then take the electrodes, after you've connected them to the elastic tape, make sure they fit on your neck, going on both sides of the larynx here. So when you have it comfortable, pull one side around and connect it like this. So you take the other end of the electrodes and connect it to the neck input on the Electroglottograph. And now you'll have signal coming from the vocal cords. Take the lavalier microphone for capturing audio signal, place it somewhere near your mouth so that you can pick up the signal easily, and then take the other end and connect it to the other input on the top where it says mic. You then take the included cable, which runs out of the bottom of the unit. It goes to where it says out on the bottom here. Plug that into the unit, and you take the final end of the cable, plug it into the digitizer, and then you will connect it to your computer. In my case, I don't have this type of USB port, so I will run it through an adapter because my computer only has USB-C on it. So I would then take this, plug it into the side of my computer, and then start up VoceVista and turn on the EGG and start analyzing the signals. I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will also be including some videos later on how to get a better signal from the electrodes and some tips that some of our users have for working with the device. Thanks.